Good morning, Professor RMD Engineering College. I am going to brief about the topic of multiplexer. I have chosen 8:1 multiplexer. What is a mux? If you see, mux is a combinational circuit with more than one input line and one output line and more than one select lines. What it does, mux selects binary informations present from one of many inputs depending upon the logic status of the select inputs and routes it to the output line. That is, normally there are 2 power n input lines, n select lines, or you can say n control lines, one output line. This n select lines whose bit combinations determine which input is selected. So the other name of mux is multiplexer or mux or data selector, since it selects one of the many inputs and feeds the binary information to the output line. I have chosen a problem to implement the following Boolean function using 8:1 multiplexer. They are given function of P, Q, R, S are the variables, which is equal to summation minterm values 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9, 15. For this, how to proceed? This is first started number of variables. N here is 4 variables are given, P, Q, R, S. But for 8:1 multiplexer, you have only 3 select lines. We can have n minus 1. So input lines as 2 power n minus 1, 2 power 3 as 8. So that means P, Q, R, yes, only we are going to find the what are all the inputs you are going to give. So 8 input lines, that 8 input lines are D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Based on the formulas for the 8 input lines, we are going to find to implement the Boolean function using mux. What I am doing is in K map, I have taken Karnaugh map, the fourth variable as S. So I have chosen in the left side S bar and S, okay, and right side I have taken D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7 because it is a 8:1 mux. I have marked this and I am going to encircle the minterm position. Minterm position as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here I have mentioned the minterm position. I am going to mark the given minterm values. So here first value is 0. So I have encircled this. I have encircled this 0. Similarly, I have encircled the next 1. So I have encircled this 1. Then next is 3. 3 I have circled minterm position. Then 4. 4 I have circled. Then 8 I have circled. Then 9 I have circled. Then 15 I have circled. So I have circled all the given values. Now I am going to apply the rule. Rule here is if any that vertical lines S bar and S both are circled means, okay, both these vertical lines are circled means the D0 value is equal to 1. Okay, and if two vertical lines are not circled means that value equal to 0. If this any one of the input is connected to S bar or S, corresponding values you have to make a note. That's all. So for first D0 value, 0 and 8 minterm values are circled, so the answer is 1. So D0 is connected to the 1. And for D1, these are two vertical circled position of the minterm values, so I have taken 1 as the answer. For D2, no one is circled, that is no minterm position are circled, so that value is treated as 0. For D3, only one, that is third minterm circled, so that is corresponding to S bar, so the equal to answer as S bar. Similarly for fourth, we have picked that is corresponding to only S bar, so I written S bar here. And D5 if you check, no circle, so the answer is 0. D6 also, both are not circled, so the answer is 0. For considering D7, only one is circled, 15, so which corresponds to yes. So yes, I have taken. So for this, I have to implement. So for the designing, marks 8 is to 1 marks. I have mentioned here 8 inputs: D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. This 8 inputs, using the K-map, we find the values, that is D0 is connected to 1, D1 is 1, and D2, D5, D6 are grounded, and D7 is connected to S, and D3, D4 are connected to S bar. So using NOT gate, we have taken the output of S, that is S bar, so I have connected, and three variables P, Q, R as the select lines S0, S1, S2. Okay, and fourth variable only we are using the implementation table. We found the values of D0 to D7 and one output line. So this is the 8:1 marks implementation. Thank you.